Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make our power key to be able to turn off our phone. Right now, by default, we have Bixby menu here, and we want the classic turn off, restart, reset, etc. key. So, how to change it? We have to go to settings, of course. Then we are looking for advanced features because it's very advanced feature. And here we have side key. Right now, as you can see, pressing hold, we have Bixby. So let's use this one, power menu. Back out and let's see. And now we have our power menu back. Classic power menu is back. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.